Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for France Airport Transit Visa step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, this is the time. Please go and subscribe right now. And at the same time, I want to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So my intention is to show you how to navigate through this service and not to provide you any legal advice. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official France visa site. So I'm going to click on my account. So because I already have the login, so I'm going to log in. If you don't, you got to create an account. So I'm going to do that. So now I'm in this main page. So I'm going to create an application. First of all, in many cases you don't even need a airport transit visa, including nationalities, or if you have a valid visa to US, Canada. Like there's so many conditions. So there's a French visa wizard. You just go through it and then make sure that you need it. Then only you apply. If you find that it is not required, then there's no point, right? That's what. So I'm gonna click. So now I'm gonna proceed. Like I'm going to add some sample, place of submission, and this is just sample data guys. City of submission, visa type, I select airport transit. Now it is telling you so let's say you are going to just sample travel document. I am going to put some sample values for these entries. Now additional information, so I'm going to write some sample, but you're going to do it carefully. And moreover, this is not mandatory, so I'm just leaving it, but you got to provide information when it is required. Alright, you need a visa, fine. Next. This sample guys. Now this is a very simple information, personal information, identity, job. So I'm just going to put some sample here. This is your last visa. I select just sample. Now this is about planning, about your plan. So be careful where you are entering and how many days you are going to stay. This is airport transit, so a lot of questions are not even required. Stay, and they have even given you the reminder as well. Okay, fine. Then comes the recap page where you can edit any entry that you want. Of course I have gone through your contacts, but you can do it as per your case. And then in recap, if you want to make any change, make it. Otherwise you can check the checkbox for accepting, and then we can go to the next step. So you can see in the next page they have given information about supporting documents, travel document, photograph, nationality document, purpose of stay, planned itinerary, visa and residence permit for the country of destination where you are going, because this is airport transit, fee. So if I continue, next is gonna be like supporting documents upload and then appointment. So I'm not gonna go through that, but you have got the idea, right? So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and share, and please subscribe to the channel.